Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Let us see how to prepare healthier version of fox nut curry, that is spinach fox nut curry or else Palak Phool Makhana. Now this fox nut is a magical nut that is very much helpful for diabetic patients and heart patients. First of all, we need to take a bowl full of fox nuts as shown here, and also take 6 bundles of spinach leaves here. Take a bowl and add half a cup of water and put it on stove on high flame and give it a nice boil. Meanwhile, take another pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil and add all the bowl full of fox nuts into it and fry them till they turn light golden brown color. Put the flame on low so that there may be chances that you may burn it if you put it on high flame. So fry them on low flame only. Once you get a nice boil of the water, wash the spinach leaves properly and then chop it and then add it into the water. Close the lid and allow it to cook for half a minute on high flame. Do not overcook spinach here, and then switch off the stove. Take a bowl, place a sieve on top of it and drop all this boiled spinach and then add cool or chilled water. By adding cool water, the spinach won't be cooked further. Now then put it aside. Take a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil, add 1 large onion chopped and then 4 to 5 green chilies chopped here. Allow the onions to turn light golden brown color. Once the onions turn golden brown color, add 2 medium sized chopped tomatoes into the onions and give it a nice stir. Allow them to cook or allow them to turn soft. Once they turn soft, add 1.5 glasses of water and a pinch of turmeric and 2 tablespoons of chili powder into it. Once you get a nice boil like this, you need to boil this by closing the lid for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Later, add all the fried fox nuts or phool makhana into this and then stir it nicely and then close the lid and allow it to cook on low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Add ginger garlic paste and salt to taste. Now after adding salt, close the lid for another 3 to 4 minutes and cook the phool makhana or fox nuts on medium flame. You can see that the water has reduced to half the quantity. You need to drain the entire water, so you need to cook it on low flame, and then before adding or before the gravy is all thickened, then only you need to blend the spinach. Now add all the boiled spinach into the blender and then make it into a thick puree like this. Do not add any water. You can see the gravy is all thickened here, and this is the time you need to add spinach puree into the fox nut curry. Now do not blend it before, because that puree may turn into dark green or black in color. So that is the reason why before adding it only you need to blend it. Do not blend it and put it aside beforehand. Now add coriander powder and roasted cumin powder. Give it a nice stir and close the lid and allow it to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Once you cook it for 3 to 4 minutes, you can just stir it one more time and that's it. Your hot spinach foxnut curry or palak phool makhana curry is all ready. You can serve it with hot rice or else chapatis and rotis also. This has many health benefits and you do please give it a try and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Please subscribe our channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.